Welcome to the introduction of Miraki. Miraki is a product to streamline DAO management and DAO customization. In this case, we know it's very hard to navigate through the scattered landscape of DAO tools, and the onboarding process is often impersonal and confusing. Well, this is where the aspiring contributors often abandon the process, and it's very struggling and confusing for them. Now, the seasoned developers struggle through this process. Imagine the frustration for the beginners. Well, Miraki, inspired from the VS Code's extension functionality, Miraki uses workspace in modular apps to streamline the chaotic world of DAO tools into one. Workspace are basically DAOs or projects which can install apps in the Miraki from the app repository and add it to their workspace capability. Workspace can be private or public. So public can be joined by anyone and private will be invite only. The apps installed can be installed from the app repository. They are either clone or port of existing DAO tools. And in case you need a specific one, you can just write one, publish it to the repository so that your community can get into sync with it. We'll see a live demo, how it works. So this is how Meraki will look. This is a space called personal space. We are logged into it. So jumping to the space is very simple. You can just click there and choose which space you want to go. We are now in personal space, so we have different set of apps installed here. So we in the apps, you can see all the apps you are either part of or are public to join. You can also create a space from here. Space and workspace are interchangeable keywords. Now, this is an app marketplace where you have installed app and all the app which you can install in a workspace visible. So this is a dashboard, and this is how your system will look. This is a clone of Trello made for the Meraki. So this is a Trello clone. You can add tasks and do such things. Now let's jump to a personal space too, personal space workspace, where we have installed more apps. As a clone of a snapshot, where you can create proposals and cast your vote. Another a specific need, a specific app for Solana, which generates documentation using ideas. So you have a detailed documentation similar to Swagger possible here. One more feature is the search feature. Basically, it's very hard to track different apps. Now, searching through them is also a huge task. So, Miraki is trying to solve this. So here, you will be able to solve all search through your app using the search power. So if I type in Binder, I'll get all the proposals and board and all the apps which have the components Binder into them will be visible here. So if I click onto this one, I'll be navigated to it as present. So yeah, here we have the proposal. So this is how Miraki works, and we think that it has a capability basically to disrupt the DAO ecosystem. So this is what Miraki is. Thank you.